right. Students, you are fantastic. You are fantastic. You are all fantastic. All of our attendees are fantastic. I wrote some things down in a slide. Let me see here. Education track close. Cool. A few last plugs. There are more evening social things happening tonight. You can check these out on the page on the website, pycon.org.au/social. They'll be fun. I promise.
Virtual friends. Yay.
Virtual friends. I cannot promise that amount of maths. I make no guarantees about the LaTeX quality of these social activities, or whether there's any machine learning at all. But you'll have to go and find out. Thank you. I just think of this as complete thank yous, all of the thank yous. Thank you to our fantastic sponsors. You're all amazing. I've had so much fun today, and it wouldn't be able to happen without you. So thank you. If you're watching this and you want to shout out some love to our fantastic sponsors, then I'm sure they all have social media accounts. I don't know. Be like, hey, you, I was at PyCon and you sponsor it and it was awesome. The best. That'd be ace, because people like being, told that they support a good thing, I guess. And speaking of supporting good things, PyCon team, you're amazing.
Yeah.
Thanks
for letting us come back every year.
Yes. There has been an outrageous amount of organization that's gone on behind the scenes, from tech checks and audio visual processing, organization, cat wrangling, fabulous audience. If you think organizing a group full of students is challenging, you have not tried to wrangle a group full of adults trying desperately to haphazardly throw together a conference. So there's just so much love we have for you all, organization team, and your support. You're amazing. Oh no, my ducks. It's all right. I've got more in reserve.
You were using duct tape.
I was using duct tape and everything. Yeah. Hey.
For future reference, blue tack works quite well. Other way, blue tack works quite well.
It's tricky, this left and right thing. Maybe we should all go back to school. I think that's the thing. So thank you all. Amanda and I will hang around on the chat for another few minutes, I reckon. Well, at least I will. I don't know.
I'll be there.
And we will see you over the next couple of days, because there is a fantastic lineup, and I'm really excited to watch all of the talks.
And we get to relax now. We get to chill. It's such a good plan.
I know. I love the fact that the education track and the specialist tracks are the first day, because then I get to enjoy the rest of the conference. So I think that just leaves one last thing for this year. As promised, our ducky dance party. Thank you so much. We're gonna
big enough.
We're gonna. I mean, if we're gonna go big. Yeah, you gotta go big. Thank you so much. We're gonna dance ourselves out.
Woo! Woo! Yeah.
See you next year. Woohoo!
Woo!
I have no idea how long this will go on for.